Don't get him in.
Woo!
You're crazy, man.
He almost pulled me over.
I know, he almost pulled you over, or you're pulling him in. Either way, it was a bad situation.
Here he is, there he is!
Oh!
No, he's got my rope! Fuck up, look at him.
Look at a bunch of them.
Man. Holy cow, that's a hard work.
Lanny, your turn.
Are you sure?
Here he comes, here he comes.
Are you sure
Look at
this boat's not gonna tip over?
Nope.
Pretty sure. Just don't fall in.
Holy cow. I hurt my back. Whew. Look at that thing. That's all we got left. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
cannonball time.
Okay, let's go now.
Let's go
Look at the
snorkel.
size of him. Whew.
That was good.